Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Morning everybody, so let's take a look again on the gold market. Today probably it will be enough to take a look only on the daily picture, because here is actually the major thing. We talked about this yesterday, so we said let's stay aside for a while from any bearish positions, because we see some bullish signs on the market, although they are not manifested by themselves in some patterns, but based on the swings, based on the price performance, potential flirting with the MACD line, actually all this stuff makes us to be cautious on this and do not take any shorts and wait what will happen. And currently on the daily chart you could see, so this candle yesterday we haven't got any grabber. I have checked on the futures charts as well on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, so there's no grabber. But today, if market will close slightly higher, then it will be the bullish grabber, and it suggests taking out to the top. So when you have the grabber in progress, it's always big temptation to anticipate the entry or not anticipate. What does it mean? So whether you will take position ahead of the grabber will be confirmed, because you do not know where market will close. By the end of the session it might close lower, for example, and you will not get any grabber, but you're already trying to anticipate and take the position somewhere in the middle of the session. Or you're waiting for confirmation and then make a decision. But here's a different risk, that you probably could get much worse entry opportunity, or grabber already will be completed. Who knows what will happen? So that's the answer that you probably will have to get. So think about this and what is more comfortable to your psychological mentally. If we still will get the grabber, potentially on a 4-hour time frame chart, we easily could suggest this butterfly. So its target 30.73 approximately. As you know, we talked about this in the weekend as well. Our bot on the weekly and daily chart stands higher, so this level might be completed. So potentially this week it might happen. On the hourly chart, you could see what really is going on. Butterfly that we have discussed potentially has not been formed. Take a look how reliable this resistance area. So this was first drop. Even on the second chance and challenge of this level, testing the 30.35, market was not able to take it out to the top, and has shown another downside pullback, although it was not as strong as here. So you can see that in fact market is forming something like rising triangle here. So you could see something like this potentially bullish pattern. Trend line has been broken, and in fact for a possession, and if you'd like to take the position in advance, so we have two options. First is you could stick directly with the grabber. In this case you actually do not need anything else but most racing swing. You need just these 3 candles. Your stop will be below these lows, because if market will drop below it, grabber will not be formed or will be cancelled. That's why you do not need to hide stop somewhere else. So if you rely only on the potential pattern, but this pattern is not formed yet, so we need to wait by the market close in this session. Second opportunity, if you consider long position, obviously we're not considering taking in shorts by far, you could trade the butterfly. So in this case you will have to place your stop below these lows and just see what will happen with this butterfly, potentially with target 30.73. That's actually 2 patterns that we have. Maybe you will find some other opportunities here, your own trading plan that you could use. Theoretically, we could also suggest a kind of the hand shorts here, but this is of course, it's very difficult to call it as a shorter. So too fast and significant drop here was, and I would treat it more like the triangle. A big success will be if market will return back above this area. As I already talked, that this is natural split between 2 trading zones, trading ranges. So one market breaking up, it immediately turns to this trading range. So it has no barriers. If it will happen, it has no barriers to keep going right to the previous top around 30.60. So that's consequently open road to the 30.73 target, because all the market will need to do is just challenge the top and grab the stops that's placed above them. So that was what we have. As you can see on the gold, actually situation much more interesting rather than the euro currency. Here's at least something is going on, which is really great. And well, let's see. So if something that we said today is interesting to you, of course you could use it. Hopefully it will be successful.